Very good morning all of you. Today we are going to study how to find area of parallelogram and rhombus. Let's see, this is a parallelogram. Here ABCD is marked as the parallelogram. Here BD is the diagonal of this parallelogram. For finding the area of the parallelogram, we need two things. The first one is base of the parallelogram and height of the parallelogram. Base and height. See, area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. This is a formula. The next one is about rhombus. In a rhombus, here ABCD is the rhombus. You can see two diagonals of this rhombus, AC and BD. For finding the area of this rhombus, we need the measurement of these two diagonals. That is, area of rhombus equal to half into product of its diagonals. So these are the two important formulas in this section. That is, area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height, that much of square unit. Second one, area of a rhombus is equal to half into product of diagonals, that much of square unit. Let's see some questions related with the area of the parallelogram. Exercise 20C, question number 1. Find the area of the parallelogram with base 32 cm and height 16.5 cm. We know that area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. Both are given here, 32 and 16.5. We are multiplying, the answer becomes 528 cm square. Listen, question number 4. Find the height of a parallelogram whose area is 54 cm square and the base is 15 cm. Area is given, base is here. Now we have to find what is the height of this parallelogram. Area is equal to base into height. We are substituting the values. Area 54, base 15 and height. So height is equal to area by base, that is 54 by 15, which is equal to 3.6 centimeter. Now come to question number 5. One side of a parallelogram is 18 centimeter long and its area is 153 centimeter square. Find the distance of the given side from its opposite side. Actually, by this, find the distance of the given side from its opposite side means actually we have to find the height of the parallelogram. Area is given, one side means its base is given 18 centimeter, we have to find height. Area is equal to base into height, that is 153 is equal to 18 into height. For height, h is equal to 153 by 18, which is equal to 8.5 centimeter. Come to question number 6. In a parallelogram ABCD, AB, see ABCD is the parallelogram. AB is 18 centimeter, BC 12 centimeter, AL perpendicular to DC. This is AL, which is perpendicular to DC, and AM perpendicular to BC. Okay, here. Find the length of AM. This perpendicular AM we have to find. Here listen one thing. In this figure, ABCD is the parallelogram. We know how to find the area of the parallelogram, base into height. If AB is the base, then AL is the height. So by using these two measurements, we can find the area of this parallelogram ABCD. Other way, if we are considering BC as the base of this parallelogram, then AM become the height, is it? Then this BC into AM also will give the area of this parallelogram ABCD. In both the methods, we can find the area. In both the cases, area of parallelogram ABCD will be same only. So that point only we can use here for finding the length of AM. Area of the parallelogram ABCD is equal to base into height. This area we can find in two methods, AB into AL or BC into AM. Okay, now we can substitute the values here. Both are equal to area of parallelogram. That is, AB and AL is given, BC is also given. Is it? So we are equating both of them. Then AM is equal to C. We are multiplied these two values. We are dividing by 12. 115.2 divided by 12. So the answer becomes 9.6 centimeter. Question number 7. The adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 15 centimeter and 8 centimeter. If the distance between the longer side is 4 centimeter, find the distance between the shorter side. Here you consider ABCD is as the parallelogram. Adjacent sides of a parallelogram are given. So this AB I have taken as 15 centimeter. This AD I have taken as 8 centimeter. Okay, these are adjacent sides. Now the distance between the longer side is 4 centimeter. So distance between EF I have taken as the distance between AB and DC. So EF is 4 centimeter. Then GH is the distance between shorter sides. Okay. We have to find this distance GH only. See, as like the previous question, here also area of a parallelogram ABCD we can find in two methods by using say formula base into height. AB into EF will give area of ABCD. Similarly, this BC into GH is also will give area of the parallelogram ABCD. BC or AD you can take. AD and BC both are equal. So, by using these two methods you can find area of the parallelogram. That is, area of ABCD is equal to base into height. That is, AB into EF or BC into GH we can take. Both are equal to area. So, these two we are equating. AB into EF we are substituting the value. BC is 8, 8 into GH. Okay. Now, 15 into 4 become 60. 8 into GH. Therefore, GH is equal to 60 by 8. Therefore, distance between shorter sides is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Question number 8. The height of a parallelogram is 1/3 of its base. If the area of the parallelogram is 108 centimeter square, find its base and height. Listen, let the base of the parallelogram be B and height be H. The relation between base and height is given. That is, height is equal to 1/3 of its base. Is it? So, H is equal to 1/3 into B. We know that area is equal to base into height. That is, area is already given in the question. 108 is equal to B into, instead of H we are substituting this one, 1/3 of base. 1/3 into B. Now you take this 3 to this side. 3 is divided here. So when we are taking to this side, it become into 3. B into B become B square. 108 into 3 is equal to 324. That is, 324 is equal to B square. That is, B is equal to square root of 324, which is equal to 18 centimeter. So we got base is equal to 18 centimeter. We know that height is equal to 1/3 of B. So H is equal to 1/3 into B, which is equal to 1/3 into 18, which is equal to 6 centimeter.